guys, how you're doing? It's the one and only Motivational here. Now I've got some great news for you. From now onwards, I'm not going to be doing longer videos to take your time. I'll be only on shorts, okay? So I'll be on shorts on this YouTube channel for AI and business teaching, as well as finance, as well as shorts on Elite Entertainment channel, whereby I teach regarding to relationships and intimacy issues, okay? You can go check it out. Another thing is that, guys, go check out my app in the comment section or in the description, whereby you can actually, I can render services for you regarding to prompts, as well as digital products that teaches you more into detail how to start a business from scratch with no money, as well as how to actually arrange your business, as well as health and, like, you know, in terms of illnesses, how to deal to lose weight with an illness and stuff. I'm actually teaching you what has happened to me, okay, and how I dealt with it, okay? I was overweight before, and therefore I lost a lot of weight, and I'm teaching you as to how to deal with having a chronic implication, and then therefore you're still losing weight and looking healthy as can be, okay? Another thing is that, guys, please subscribe to my YouTube channel. I'll highly appreciate it, as we're going to be on shorts, as well as check out also my podcast, Let's Fix It by Motivational. I'll highly appreciate it. All the information will be on this video here, okay? Whatever I have to say. Now, the reason why I'm going on shorts, guys, it's because I cannot make it to actually videorize for you all every week. I have so much businesses, okay, and I will actually disclose to you all the businesses as time goes by, but I've got many that I'm running at the same time, so I'm making sure I'm there for you. Also, another thing is that go check out the link on my description of the YouTube channel. It is the same digital products if you want to go straight to the digital products, or my prompts regarding to my app, okay? Now, this is what I wanted to talk to you all about. If you want to start a property assessment business, okay, and you don't know where to start regarding to being a small business, or even if you are an existing property assessor, okay, this is what you're going to do, okay? Sorry about the mistake. You are going to put AI into your business so that you can get many customers, okay? So so today I'm going to teach you how, okay? Firstly, what you're going to do is that you're going to get AI drones, okay, whereby it actually inspects your roofs, solar panels, building warehouses, okay? Now, this is how it's going to help you. The drone are going to check for roof damage as well as anything in detail. It's also going to help you with leaks and cracks or any fundamental issues regarding to your business assessment regarding to the property, okay? Another thing is that it will also help you with professional inspection reports towards your clients and your maintenance requirements, okay, regarding to your quotation. Now, this is the tools you're going to be using. Now, you have to listen to me carefully. The first tool is Drone Deploy. I'm going to write it there. It analyzes drone footage. So what's going to happen is that the drone is going to go to every detail where even a human being cannot go to in order for you to assess the building, okay? Number two is ChatGPT. It's going to help you with inspection reports and client emails towards your client for quotations or anything, all right? Another thing is Claude. Claude is going to help you with summarizing the inspection, as well as finding and creating a detailed document for your clients, okay? Another thing is, if, like, say for instance, you are very good with Canva, you can actually use it for client presentations to go and present to a customer, okay? Now, guys, thank you so much for watching. I highly appreciate it.